Best new convertibles of 2022. Most commonly the topless version of a coupe counterpart, convertibles are about maximum curb appeal and wind-in-the-hair driving pleasure. These drop-top models are the best because they deliver on both accounts, and then some. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Few cars deliver driving thrills at an affordable price quite like the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and it's the only affordable sports car with a convertible top. It's also on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. A spunky four-cylinder primarily pairs with a satisfying 6-speed manual, but an automatic transmission is offered, too. The Miata's handling is eager and playful, which makes encountering twisty roads a joyful experience. Most versions come with a manually folding soft top, but there's a more expensive RF model available with a power-folding Targa hardtop. Ford Mustang. Whether it's used for top-down trips on the Sunset Strip or track time at Lime Rock, there's a 2022 Ford Mustang for most every lifestyle and personality. With countless appearance packages, notable performance-enhancing options, and coupe or convertible body styles, it can be highly personalized. Power comes from a punchy Turbo 4 or a mighty 5.0-liter V8. Both engines feed the rear wheels through an engaging manual transmission or a terrific 10-speed automatic. Chevy Camaro. The 2022 Chevrolet Camaro coupe and convertible are about the pure and simple joy of driving. Forget about their compromised outward visibility and cramped rear seats. Instead, embrace their lithe handling, satisfying stick-shift transmission, and remarkably smooth ride. A 275 horsepower Turbo 4 is the default engine, but opting for the 335 horsepower V6 or the 455 horsepower V8 unlocks more melodic soundtracks and punchier acceleration. Its cabin includes some unattractive materials, and some will call it claustrophobic, but its front seats are comfy and supportive, and its well-stocked infotainment system is easy to use. Chevy Camaro ZL1. The 2022 Chevy Camaro ZL1 isn't the most powerful muscle car, but when it comes to driver involvement and value for the performance, it's unbeatable. It's also on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. The Bowtie Boys stuff a 650 horsepower supercharged V8 between the ZL1's fenders and offer a satisfying manual transmission or a snappy 10-speed automatic. Sure, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 packs a 760 horsepower V8 and its own incredible track capabilities, but it doesn't offer a stick shift or a convertible body style. Plus, unlocking the Shelby's full potential costs considerably more than the Camaro's transformative one-low package. BMW Z4. Confident handling and a powerful turbocharged engine are expected from a BMW sports car, and the 2022 Z4 convertible delivers just that. But part of its appeal also lies in its upscale cabin, which is comfortable enough to serve as a daily driver. The base engine offered is a peppy turbocharged 4-cylinder while a twin-turbo inline-6 can be found in the racier M40i model. All Z4s are rear-wheel drive and use an 8-speed automatic transmission that is as well tuned for sporty driving as it is for highway cruising. Handling isn't Porsche Boxster sharp, but it's close enough and still plenty fun on a twisty road. Mercedes-AMG C43. Offered as a coupe and convertible, the 2022 Mercedes-AMG C43 provides sports car attitude with luxury car accoutrements. It's on our Editor's Choice list, too. These two-door C43 models come standard with a 385 horsepower twin-turbo V6 that provides ample power and sounds fantastic. All-wheel drive is standard, and the C43's handling is razor-sharp. Unfortunately, the same can be said of its ride quality, which can be tortuous over rough stretches of road. Chevy Corvette. With a lineage that stretches back to the 1950s, the Chevrolet Corvette is a mainstay of performance car culture, and the current C8 model takes that tradition to a new place with a thumping V8 mounted behind the passenger compartment and a still affordable price tag. Performance in the supercar range and surgically precise handling make the Corvette a track day darling when equipped with the Z51 package, but its ride over rough stretches is unexpectedly smooth and its cabin is comfortable enough for daily use.